Hi, hello, welcome to our channel RV Creations.
Hi, I'm Richa Kapoor. I'm a designer and I have this small studio in Aripuram. You can call me and come over here anytime you want. I have lots of beautiful, funky designs which are on the shelf for you. You can come and buy those designs. I have jackets, I have kurtas, I have tunics, I have tops, western tops, blouses, long dresses, and lots of things actually. Anything you can think of, ghagras, shararas, everything. And apart from that, I also customize and do stuff. So if you want anything as per your design, I can make it for you. Apart from that, if you have fabric and you want to give me your fabric and you want me to do design it around it and do a tailoring, customized tailoring, I do that also. Very flexible with all that. So you just have to call me and come to my studio and we'll take it from there. So in my studio, I have lots of things. When you will come, you will see a riot of colors. I'm a very colorful person, but I do everything as per your requirement. So if you want things in pastels, simple, subdued, subtle embroideries, subtle stitching, we can do all that. So this is a silk kurta with Mukesh work. These sparkles you can see, this is all Mukesh work. And you can take the dupatta, you can take the kurta just by itself, or you can take like a complete set with this organza dupatta. And this has this beautiful kinari on it. Very nice for your festive season, for your parties, for your shadi, for your haldi, mehndi, functions, sangeet, or any of those lighter occasions. So this is a silk satin butterfly top. It falls like a kaftan.
Okay.
Very pretty to wear on trousers, jeans, denims or anything. And there's detailing of these beautiful flowers. It's a half and half color. So very unique and funky design. So this is a long dress made in ikat hand woven cotton fabric. This is silk. This is called mushroom silk, which is a traditional silk from Gujarat, and it's hand woven. Then there is hand embroidery, which I've designed. It's a beautiful long dress that you can wear for your any of your functions or parties or card parties or mehendis or anything. It's a skirt with lot of ghair. It's got panels and all hand embroidery. Pretty skirt for those fun events or parties or even pubbing. Just wear it with a black t-shirt. You can wear it with a blouse and have a dupatta for that different look. This is an organza shrug, organza jacket.
Okay.
You can wear it on top of anything, like if you're wearing jeans or shorts or even a kurta. Just wear on top of it. Instead of the dupatta, you can wear this with a suit. You can wear it on top of jeans or shorts. It's very lightweight. And look at the detailing. Crochet flowers are there. And lace is there. It's a very pretty jacket. So this is a jacket, silk jacket, made with Chinese fabric. It's a silk jacket. You can wear it on top of anything for your travels, for a party, for a get together or cards parties. So this is a very structured jacket, very smart. Look at the inside. Very structured, beautiful jacket with all hand embroidery. This is from Gujarat, the hand embroidery. Very smart jacket. You can wear for your travels, for your airport, for your parties, wherever you want to make a statement and look different. So this is a jacket in ikat. It's ikat patchwork with kanta embroidery. Look at the detailing of buttons. It's a structured jacket with very good lining. Very nice jacket for your travels and for your parties in cooler zones. In Chennai, well, if you ask me, I wear these kind of jackets in December and Jan and feel very nice about myself. They look very smart. For your travels, for your airport look, they are very nice. So this is a kaftan, very sheer. You have to wear something inside. And this is chiffon Georgette kaftan in floral print. For your party season, for your parties, pub hopping, for visiting, for dinners, for small occasions where you want to look smart and different. So now this is very interesting. It's a denim sharara. So this is a denim. You can give me your denim jeans, which you don't want to wear, which fits you well, and I will create a denim sharara out of it.
Okay.
You can wear it with a t-shirt, you can wear it with a kurta, and so this portion will be fitting very well, and this will be like a sharara. It's very smart, very different. You just have to give me a pair of shorts or jeans and I'll convert it into this. So this is a long dress, very happy, fun-loving dress with ikat kanta silk yoke and georgette over here in lock stripes. It's a pretty happy dress for any of your beach parties or for a sangeet, or you can wear it to a party, generally for a birthday party, for your kids' birthdays, or for any occasion where you want to look flirty and feminine and happy. So this is a long dress, slightly shimmery, very beautiful cotton fabric with a tissue look, lovely trendy green color, long gown. You can wear it for any of your evening parties or even a mehndi. Just wear it with a mehndi, take a nice dupatta, or you don't even need a dupatta, just wear it for a mehndi function. So this is a long gown. We call it a layered gown, and I have used ikat patola fabric in silk for the yoke. This is mushroom fabric, all is silk. It's a beautiful gown, looks like a Victorian gown with beautiful Zardozi embroidery. We can do this in cotton also, we can do this like this also. So now this is a blouse which can be used as a strug jacket, or it can be worn as a short bomber jacket or a bomber coat. It can be used as a sari blouse or a skirt blouse. You can wear it on a plain black skirt or a red skirt just as a blouse. You don't need to take a dupatta. See the peasant sleeves, so pretty. Just wear a choker in your neck, wear it with a long skirt, and you're set for that cocktail or for a sangeet party. This is all Zardozi hand embroidery on a silk Mukesh fabric in baby pink. It's all Zardozi embroidery. So this is a jacket. Also, if you want this to be customized in any other color like black, red, any color or any fabric, I can do this. I can make this embroidery and do this for you. This is a cape style. You have to wear a tube top or a spaghetti inside. You can wear it on a skirt, you can wear it on a sari, you can wear it on jeans, denims, anything, and you're all set for the party. I can do it in any colors. You can do it in black, yellow, any colors.
Yes.
So this is a boxy fitting. We call it a boxy. It's like a box kind of a fitting, very chic silk top. Now the important thing is that I have done very beautiful. It's done on very beautiful traditional mushroom silk, color block. This is a color block thing, and I have put pashmina, Kashmiri embroidered borders on front and back. It's a very smart thing if you want to wear it with your jeans, or you can wear it for your airport look, you can wear it for a party, for an evening dinner or anything. So this is another raw silk ghagra with beautiful hand embroidery and these tassels. There's a border, there's a Banarsi border. So I can customize all these things. Yes. So then this is one of the ghagras with very intricate embroidery. See the close up, very intricate embroidery. this is in velvet. So I do ghagras for your marriage occasions or any such occasions. I can customize according to your requirement. So this is a silk skirt, very beautiful skirt. There is can inside, so it is fluffy and all. There is this can fluffy. It's like a very happy skirt for a birthday party or for a sangeet or mehendi or a wedding. So we can do it in any color, any design. Just showing you this. I can always customize it as per your requirement. So this is a chiffon georgette sari with this very beautiful cut work with shimmery sequins. It's perfect for a cocktail evening or for one of your wedding functions where you want to look very glamorous and different. So this is a net sari, shimmery net, very pretty, and have done this beautiful embroidery, hand embroidery on it. Lot of bootas all over the sari, and this is the border, silk border on it. So you have to wear an inskirt, matching inskirt, and can do a nice shimmery blouse, and you are ready to rock the party. Yeah. So this is a sparkling sari in light baby pink, pastel pink, with patchwork and sequins and all this hand embroidery in a jal form with a silk border and another sequins border. Very pretty for your cocktails, for your different party occasions, for your sangeet. You can wear it for your own wedding, for your own sangeet, or for like when you're going for friends or other people's parties. Very smart, even for your Diwali festival.